इतनी अच्छी अच्छी बातें बोली है गब्बी ने. पहली बात, you said when it came in context of the flowers, it was all about avoiding the use and throw type of relationships. Typically, how a gardener would pluck a flower or let the flower be there, and that is, the one he loves would let it be there, and the one he doesn't, actually he would pluck it. That's the bottom line. Second thing was what, with Mr. Sara? You advised me today, whenever the thoughts come in, that the negative thoughts, it's not good to think negative. Instead, just tell yourself, don't say I don't have time, but instead tell your brain, I don't want to do this, or I would like to focus myself on other things.
No, because I have to do other things.
Yeah, because I have to do other things.
Because
Not I don't
now
have
we
time.
resources, my time,
Time
is
is
resources.
limited.
I have to do other things.
Yeah, I'll come back to it later, maybe, because brain is very monkey mind, no? Monkey, so it'll keep telling, no, listen, the more you stop it, the more he will try to draw your attention to it. So instead, convince it like how you tell to a little baby that we'll do it later on. Divert nicely that, okay, look, we'll talk about it later. Right now, I've got X, Y, Z work. Yep. And then over the time, when you keep avoiding this certain negative thoughts, it won't come.
फिर याद ही नहीं आएगा
And
ना.
I think you said, no, you also changed my negative sentence when I was saying, I don't care, or I don't have the time in the world for such people, whatever. And then you said, don't say this. What do I say? They are different. And, they're
They are control. You can't control.
I can't control others. Everyone is different. I would want to move with my own core, and that's how I am, and that's it. और ये भी आया था उस बात पे क्रक्स मेरा भी कि people, like, the flower keeps giving its fragrance and its beauty around. That's it. People who want the smell of it, who want that fragrance, who like that flower, or the very demeanor, I should say, of the flower and the in essence, would try and approach it and, see it or smell it or go close by. Those who don't want, anyways, who are just non-stop thinking of the thorns or other things, or just have their own pathways, they'll anyways pass by. Even if you actually give them a flower in their hand, they'll just squish it and throw it, right? So pretty much that was it. And you were telling me something more now. That in the time of Mahabharata, Bhagwan Sri Krishna was there, Draupadi was about to be raped, and Sonu's non-stop telling, be authentic you. And I'm saying my first sentence was, be compassionate. You can be compassionate and unconditionally giving and loving. That is the essence where I was saying you should be, but you should not compromise with
we can't make
authenticity.
generalize, because why I'm telling कि द्रौपदी के तो husband कि that is so पावरफुल था, युधिष्ठिर महाभारत था, भीम साला हाथियों था, वो अकेले अर्जुन बड़े बड़े थे, वो अपने वैल्यू नहीं वैल्यू बेस के चक्कर में बैठ गए, जबकि उनकी बीवी का उनके सामने रेप हो रहा था. But they value based, they binding by the values, they are authentic, they better उनके सामने. Because why that Duryodhan played?
Oh no, Mr. Sada. Whenever I say be authentic, you is I'm putting the onus on you. I'm putting the responsibility on you, which I always say, take responsibility of your actions.
वो तो ये, but बेचारे यही तो है ना कि दूसरा पर्सन played, because यही तो है ना, उनको कोई बांधा थोड़ी था, झगड़ा नहीं था. बट वो अपने एक ये एथिकल वैल्यू के वजह
से. No, it was not about the value based system. It was there, I would say, how do I put it, like they did a mistake.
एक सोनू है, I want my value, I want to love everyone. उनकी वैल्यू थी कि we want to धर्मराज युधिष्ठिर ने तो धर्म का पालन करना, बस मेरा काम है धर्म से पालन करना. तो इस धर्म के पालन के चक्कर में ही तो सारा महाभारत हुआ ना.
पर यहाँ पे ऑथेंटिसिटी की बात ये नहीं आ रही है कि आप क्या हो क्या नहीं. ऑथेंटिसिटी से यहाँ से आ रही है कि आपकी ओरिजिनल कोर क्या है. आपकी ओरिजिनल कोर अगर लविंग है तो आप लव करते रहोगे लोगों से. अगर आपके ओरिजिनल कोर है विश्वास करने की, तो आप करते रहोगे. तो युधिष्ठिर या उनके घर वालों ने हर वक्त कंपैशन रखी अपनी तरफ से, लेट्स से अनकंडीशनली देते रहे. और लेकिन अलॉन्ग साइड ऑथेंटिसिटी का मतलब ये भी है कि you be true to yourself and you know yourself, plus take responsibility of your actions then. So they in the first place, they did a wrong, or they made a wrong choice. that was against their core. Because Yudhishthir, जो धर्मराज युधिष्ठिर था, how the hell did he get into this gambling in the first place? ये तो वैसे ही नीति विरुद्ध है, धर्म विरुद्ध है. तो वहीं तो उसकी प्रॉब्लम शुरू हुई उसकी लाइफ की.
सी उसने गैम्बलिंग ये नहीं गया था कि उसको नहीं, तो उसको लगा ही वेंट फॉर जस्ट लाइक एंटरटेनमेंट पर्पस, ये नॉट इंटेंशन ऑफ द गैम्बलिंग.
अरे जुआ तो जुआ ही होता है, एंटरटेनमेंट में जुआ कहाँ आ गया?
Just you take other how they others persons cheated, played.
How they cheated, they played. They could not have cheated, they could not have played had these people not allowed them to cheat on them, because they agreed to play. उनकी गलती हुई ना ये तो कि they should not have. And this is for me, this is for every damn person I'm saying. This is where I'm saying we all putting these blames on others, but somewhere we got to take that ownership of our actions, our mistakes.
You are talking that is absolutely agree, but
Yeah.
my point is what I'm telling is sometimes we जो value based system जो भी authentic है वो आपको situation person to person लगाना पड़ेगा. ये ऐसा love caring है तो सबको love caring वाला approach can't apply. That is I want to say.
I still do not.
somebody cheating कर रहा है तो आप उसको love नहीं कर सकते.
नहीं,
तो बदमाश है तो उसके साथ लगे तो.
Authenticity का मतलब ही यही है कि when you're being true to yourself, Gabi, the most important thing is mindfulness. You're anyways mindful of what you are and who you are, which means you're also mindful of what type of people. People will cheat you.
So mindfulness.
People will cheat you, but they will cheat you if you're allowing them. Now you will say my core is loving, so I'm allowing them because I can be cheated. No, you should not be cheated. You make a choice. There. That okay, look, damn you. I'm just thinking on those lines, right?
Mindfulness.
यहाँ पे mindfulness is very important.
Exactly.
It is very important. Be mindful and be authentic. Be authentic
with mindfulness.
With mindfulness. हाँ ये कह सकते हो कि it is important to be authentic with mindfulness. ऑथेंटिक का मतलब यहाँ है कि जो मेरा कोर है मैं तो वही रहूंगी. आज हमारा आप मेरे को मालूम है आपका एक्चुअल में ये कॉल कहाँ आया है. मैं बताऊँ आपको कहाँ परेशानी आई है आपकी. आप ऑथेंटिसिटी को पहली बार मिस कर रहे हो वैल्यू बेस और बिलीफ सिस्टम से. मैं वैल्यू बेस्ड बिलीफ सिस्टम तो कह ही नहीं रही हूँ. मैं तो ये कह रही हूँ आपके अंदर की कोर क्या है, आप खुद इंटरनली कैसे हो, आप अपने आप को तो जानते हो ना. ये बोल रही मैं मतलब. और इसी वजह से मैं LGBT के लिए भी इन सब चीज़ों के लिए आई वुड सपोर्ट देम, बिकॉज वो अंदर से जानते हैं साले हम कैसे हैं. हमको मेरे को लड़की में ही इंटरेस्ट आता है या मेरे को लड़के में इंटरेस्ट आता है. वो अपने आप को अंदर से जानते हैं, इसलिए वो कम से कम दे आर बीइंग ट्रू टू देमसेल्व्स. सो आई कॉल इट बीइंग ऑथेंटिक.
अरे यार ये तो उनके एक महीने बाद ये सोशल साइंस है. One thing keep in mind is human and social science है.
So and everyone cannot be ये but all I'm trying to say there are lot of variables, but those variables 80% situational बोल लोगे आप, बाहर कैसा हुआ external. I'm not talking about trying to control external. I'm trying to tell that you control your inner self and you know yourself, and when you can control your inner self only when you know yourself. Am I making sense? You can control yourself only when you know yourself. And that is what authenticity is here. Okay?
मेरा ये बस ये था value based with mindfulness.
And वो यहाँ ये कह सकते हो कि be authentic but with mindfulness. And mindfulness comes only when you know yourself. Right? That's it. Thanks.
mindfulness हो गया तो खाली